This is a 1999 Ferrari 355 F1 Spider. Gorgeous classic Ferrari car. Always makes me think of Tom Selleck and Magnum PI. So anyway, it looks gorgeous. This is the car that is. This steering wheel has seen its better day. Suede wears out. That's just one thing about it. Even though they don't put a lot of miles on these cars, suede wears out. Just like a pair of suede shoes. So the customer does want to go back with suede, but he wants to use Alcantara, which wears a little better than real suede. This was real suede. And so we're going to use Alcantara on the outside area, and then we'll put leather on the spokes. We'll emboss that horn logo back into there again, and it's going to look amazing. It's going to be a little thicker because we do have to go over the leather on this particular wheel, because when this was made at the factory, they super glued the leather to the steering wheel because they didn't want to use stitches on it. Really, I think it's to save money, but they didn't use stitches. So you can see where it's just kind of opened up around it. We are going to use stitches on this one to make sure it doesn't open itself back up again, because that's what it does when it doesn't have stitches. And so it's going to look amazing. Let's take a look at how it looks after we transform it. Awesome. We've got this 1999 Ferrari 355 F1 Spider steering wheel, all completely restored and ready to ship out to this customer. As you can see, we've replaced the horn logos on the spokes. We've gone in and changed out the original suede with an Alcantara suede and put the leather back on the spokes. Stitched this up with a gorgeous black basting stitch. So this is going to really top off this Ferrari interior.